Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something simple, elegant, and incredibly healthy, baked salmon with garlic spinach. This recipe is perfect if you want a quick dinner in under 25 minutes, something high in protein and packed with nutrients. It's light, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 2 fresh salmon fillets, 2 cups fresh spinach, 2 to 3 cloves garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, salt and black pepper, optional chili flakes for a little kick. Simple ingredients but big flavor. First, preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your salmon fillets on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now, drizzle a little olive oil over the top. Season with salt and black pepper, then squeeze fresh lemon juice over each fillet. If you like a little spice, sprinkle some chili flakes. That's it. Clean, simple seasoning that lets the salmon shine. Place the tray in the oven and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the salmon flakes easily with a fork and it turns a soft, opaque pink. Don't overcook it. We want it tender and juicy. While the salmon is baking, let's prepare the spinach. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add a tablespoon of olive oil. Now add your minced garlic and sauté for about 30 seconds, just until fragrant. Don't let it burn. Add the fresh spinach. It may look like a lot, but it will shrink quickly. Stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes until wilted. Add a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon juice. And that's it. Fresh, vibrant garlic spinach. Now let's plate everything beautifully. Place the garlic spinach on one side of the plate. Lay your baked salmon right next to it. You can garnish with a slice of lemon, fresh herbs like parsley, or cracked black pepper. Simple, elegant, healthy. And there you have it, baked salmon with garlic spinach. This meal is high in omega-3, rich in iron, perfect for a light dinner, and ready in under 25 minutes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves healthy meals. Let me know in the comments, would you add sweet potato, quinoa, or keep it low carb? See you in the next video.